Today I'm going to talk about learning management systems. Learning management systems, or LMSs as they're mostly referred to, are software applications that typically are used to house course content for e-learning and blended learning, flipped classrooms, or training. Typical elements of course content are instructional elements, readings, assignments, discussions, grades, assessments, and videos. These types of software target certain audiences. Different institutions use these types of software to keep track of student growth, student achievement, student success, and help teachers keep track of their students. I'll also talk about some different institutions that use learning management systems and how they implement courses and programs around this software. The different audiences, the learning audiences that use this type of software are managers. Manager at a store might need to teach a new hire protocols of company. Trainers, people who come in are supposed to train people on using technology or the different types of equipment that the institution uses. And then also teachers and administration. School districts, when I talk about institutions, more and more school districts are using LMSs to communicate and to give students resources for course content. Now there are different institutions, and more are entering the K through 12 schooling environment. But a lot of corporate business organizations use LMS to train and improve their workforce. So some different institutions that are using LMSs are colleges. A lot of colleges are using them now. Universities. More and more K through 12 school districts are implementing LMSs to communicate with parents on school student achievement and student growth, and also training schools. Some trade programs are using it to communicate and also to train the workforce that will be going into the environment. All right, the different types of learning management softwares that we're going to talk about is Canvas, Blackboard, and Moodle. Now, Canvas was founded in 2008 by two computer science grad students. They started off with a couple dozen employees, and they formally launched Canvas in February of 2011. It was an open source software and the only true cloud-native LMS. It's new and it's open standard for educational technology. Canvas Network launched in 2012, and that's the massive open online course market. It was built to use multimedia environments to change cognition and enhance learning process. Now, if you come to 2015, Infrastructure's headcount had grown to more than 700, and the Canvas community exploded to colleges, universities, and K through 12 schools across the world. Because learning doesn't end after graduation, and the corporate learning environment is becoming more and more educational forward, Infrastructure launched another software to help bridge the gap between college, school, and the workforce. To date, Instructure has connected more than 18 million teachers and learners at over 2,000 universities, school districts, and institutions around the world. Blackboard is another learning management system. It's a virtual learning environment and has course management software. It's web-based and it features course management and has a customizable open architecture, and scalable design that allows integration with student information systems and authentication protocols. In 1997, two companies merged to form Blackboard Learn, and their goal was to develop an online learning platform that can be accessed anywhere in the world. It combines communication and content to link teachers to students in a virtual classroom. Some of the services that it provides, and it is very mobile friendly, allows teachers to post articles, assignments, and videos. It has calendar features. It has different learning modules that are used for online classes, assessments, assignments. It uses a gradebook, and it also has a media library. Moodle is used for blended learning, distance education, flipped classroom, or even e-learning projects in schools and universities. It has a customizable management feature, and it's used to create private websites with online courses for educators, trainers to achieve the learning goals established. Moodle allows for extending and customizing learning environments using community-sourced plugins. Martin Douglas developed the first version released in 2002 of August. Initially, it was intended for a PhD study and evolved into a real product. Douglas wanted to examine the use of open software to support a social construction epistemology of teaching and learning and the information-based communities of reflective inquiry. So we wanted to see how people can collaborate and what products they could come up with. It's customizable, and the purpose of the software is to make the learner part of the educational experience. Moodle is very user-friendly and has a lot of features built into it, but it also can be used to collaborate and to communicate with the teachers.